Are there any doubts in this step? If you have any doubts, you can ask before moving to the next step. Now, what is the next step? We put the PCC. This is right. Calculate what is the quantity of PCC. Okay. Second point you write. Okay. Second calculation. Lime concrete in foundation. Lime concrete in foundation. Okay, lime concrete in foundation. Now just identify the dimensions of the lime concrete wall. Its width, height, and length. What is its width? What is the width for which the lime concrete will be laid in the excavation? How much? It is same as that of earthwork in excavation only, right? 80 centimeter only. Okay, 80 centimeter only. Width of the PCC, 80 centimeter only. What about its depth? 0.3 meter. What about the length? Length is whatever the length of the wall is there, to that length only the PCC bed will be laid. Okay. Therefore, here lime concrete in foundation numbers is only one number. Okay. You see here only one wall is there. Instead of building one wall, if a room is given, okay, there will be two number of walls of having same length. Then the number will come into picture. Okay, as here only one wall, so numbers will be one only. If you are analyzing a building, what you will do? Instead of calculating the quantities for each and individual walls, you will segregate the similar walls. Okay, there the quantity will be the number of walls you considered. Okay, the length is same as length of the wall only 6 meter. The width of PCC bed is 80 centimeter. That is 0.8 meter. 0.8 meter, and depth is its depth. Thickness of the PCC is given as 30 centimeter. Therefore, it is 0.3 meter. 0.3 meter. What is the total quantity? 1.44. 1.44 cubic meter. Okay. 1.44 cubic meter. Then what next? What next? Next is first class brickwork in footing as well as the superstructure. Correct? Now, initially, we will calculate first class brickwork. You write here first class brickwork in lime mortar in foundation and plinth. In foundation and plinth. Okay. Have you understood that term? Have you understood that term? First class brickwork in foundation and plinth. Okay. Foundation means the structure which is below the ground level, and plinth is here. Okay. Up to here we need to do the quantity calculation. Okay. Now we are calculating first class brickwork in lime mortar in foundation and the plinth. This quantity we need to calculate. Okay, share the here things here for which we have to do the quantity calculation. See, for all these things we need to do the quantity calculation. Okay, first class brickwork in foundation and the plinth. Okay, foundation and the plinth. We have first class brickwork in foundation as well as the plinth is also made of first class brickwork only. It is not made of the concrete. Okay. Now we have to do these calculations. Here we have whatever the footing given in the problem. What kind of footing it is? What kind of footing it is? It is a stepped footing. I think you know different types of footing. It is a stepped footing. How many steps are there in that footing? 2 steps. Okay. Here we have one step. Here we have one more step. Over that footing we have the plinth. Okay. Over the footing we have the plinth. Now while doing the calculation, we have to perform calculation for each and individual steps. Okay. Now for the first step of the footing. Okay. First step of the footing, which is having the width of 60 centimeter and depth of 20 centimeter, we will do the calculation. And for the next step, okay, means for the second step, similarly we will do the calculation, and similarly for the plinth wall, we will perform the calculation. Adding all together, you will get the total quantity of the first class brickwork in foundation.